Hey everyone, welcome to my kitchen. So we're gonna do, with coronavirus going on, I wanted to do a series of videos that were a little different than what we normally do, being as we're all kind of stuck at home and everybody's stuck making their own drinks right now. So I thought it would be fun to just focus on one spirit and then make a bunch of different drinks with a bunch of different things that I found around my kitchen. That way maybe you can find something at home to spice up your cocktail life and get, just add some flavor to All right, so cocktail number one, we're gonna start with a real simple one. It's just the Kamikaze. So if you look the Kamikaze up online, there might be different recipes for it. I think the most common is the 1.5 ounces of vodka, 1/2 ounce of triple sec, and then 1 ounce of lime juice. Rock and roll, so let's do that. I actually saw one that said equal parts lime juice and triple sec, but, or vodka and triple sec, but I don't believe in that. Rock and roll. There's your Kamikaze. Garnish with a lime if you want. I'm gonna save my limes because I'm at home and I'll use them for other stuff. Kamikaze. All right, so we still have the Kamikaze here because there's a way to turn the Kamikaze into something different. It's more fun, I don't know, it depends on what you think. So a key lime pie is the next drink we're doing. So we're gonna take this Kamikaze, we're gonna throw it back into the shaker because I'm really trying to watch how much alcohol I'm drinking, especially when I'm making 7 cocktails. I'm not gonna take all those in. So you have your Kamikaze. Before you shake it, or after, whatever, what I usually do is, a lot of times you have whipped cream in the bar, so you just do a little squirt of whipped cream. We don't have whipped cream right now, so I'm gonna use some heavy whipping cream with a little bit of our simple syrup. And that gives you really this a similar effect. So let's do like a 1/2 ounce of heavy whipping cream, and then like a little 1/4 ounce simple syrup, sugar. Then shake the shit out of it. Gotta get my balance because I'm not making enough margaritas right now to stay sharp. All right, now with this one, it's kind of fun. So that's where the graham crackers come into play. We take that and then we take a little bit of our lime and rub it along the rim. And then give yourself a nice little cookie crust, cracker crust. There you go, crackers. And then we strain that guy into there. There's your key lime pie, you guys. This is, it's definitely a dessert cocktail. but it's pretty yums. Cheers. So one more fun little variation on the Kamikaze, you guys, is if you take that Kamikaze, which I put in the shaker earlier, and you just add a little bit of cranberry juice, a splash of cranberry juice. Not that much, just like a splash. Then add that to your shake, and you have a Cosmo. Sweet. It's a really, the Kamikaze is just kind of your bare bones cocktail, and then you can build on it in a bunch of different ways, and it's a lot of fun.